When I work on paper, that's my language. Working with the different people to understand the emotions. One later, one breath. Namaskar, myself Achyut Palav, calligrapher and designer. Last 40 years I am doing the same thing again and again. That is calligraphy. It's a beautiful art of writing. And I am enjoying that 40 years. Today I want to share the entire process of my life. Why am I a calligrapher? How I develop myself? What is my tool therapy? What is my working therapy? So everywhere different methods are there. So I will start with my school, my childhood. I was in school. So in school, definitely you have to write every day new thought on the blackboard. My school was very famous for the drawing. A lot of people was there and they are giving you a lot of inspiration to work on the paper, on the blackboard. Teacher came to me and they asked me, is it possible, can you write on the blackboard? I said, it's okay. That time I don't know about my handwriting. If I am good in handwriting, if I am good in thought, if I am good in writing on the blackboard, I don't know. But the way teacher told me, please do it with the 100% confidence. That confidence is very important. Still today is the same confidence. So I start to write on the blackboard. 8th standard, 9th standard and 10th standard. I was doing Suvichar. Good thought on the blackboard. Every day new thought. Every day new color scheme. Every day new angle on the chalk. And that time I realized what is angle, why this angle is important. And slowly, for me, later or writing, it was not a calligraphy, it was a design for me. That time I don't understand that what is a design. But today I am telling you that process, it was a completely different process and how to understand that design. Vertical line, horizontal line, positive space, negative space, a lot of things are there. I think that is a very important part in the calligraphy. And today I think what I am doing, what I am sharing to you, that is just because that confidence is with me. Professor R.K. Joshi, he was a director of Woolcard Advertising and he started to get the chance for the newcomers, new designers, new calligraphers, how you can work, how you can research on script. So my subject was Modi script. 2 years I was doing a thesis under the guidance of Ashok Kedkar, Bhasha Tadnya. He is from Pune. Gah Khare, he was Itihas Tadnya, historical, he was very famous for that. Daga Godse and Rakhu Joshi. And that 2 years completely changed up my perception of my calligraphy. How to look towards letters. What is history? What is a paper? What is the other language are there? How is the influence of the other languages? So slowly, I developed myself. And then when I published my thesis, then I realized I have a lot of work, I have a lot of knowledge. Why not you can share the knowledge with the people? And that time our school dean, Professor H.G. Hanmante, he offered me a job, assistant lecturer. I spent almost 5 years with the students because I want to share my knowledge. I want to show what is calligraphy, how you can study the calligraphy, how you can study the letter. See, when I am doing the demonstration, I love to do the demonstration because there is no thought in your mind. You are working for your people. And people are expecting more and more. I am telling you the one incident, that is I was in Sangli. Almost 800 people was there. I asked the organizer why all people are there. अछूत आपको देखने के लिए सब आए हैं, आपको मिलने के लिए सब आए हैं, एंड दे आर फ्रॉम ऑल द आर्ट स्टूडेंट. आई से इट्स अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी. And then they start to ask me each one by one question. Not only the question, I have to demonstrate that. So it was a challenging me for me, because when you're working for the client, you will get the brief from the client. According to the brief, you will work out that. But suddenly you came one thought in mind, and they are telling, sir, we want to see this. Is it possible? Can you demonstrate this tool? Sir, what is the intensity of your ink? How you can decide the paper? So a lot of counter questions are there. I think this is a good learning process. Give and take. You are showing something, but you are learning something from the people, and that is a big process for me. Definitely, to work on the ball, I love to work on the ball. I love to work on the big paper, like 5 feet by 50 feet. I did one paper in China, Russia, in 3 minutes, and the Russian people ask me how you are working, how you decide that. I say it's my judgment, because it's my experience, and you're working just because of experience. Yeah, without emotional it is not possible, because see, calligraphy it is a emotional part. Beauty is there, but emotions are very important. Like if you are going to write a love song, if you are going to write one thought, if you are going to wedding card, if you are going to write one nice poem of Gulzar, or you can write a poem on grace. Everywhere the emotions are different. First, understand the emotions, and then you can explore the calligraphy. I'm not going to write the calligraphy. I like to play with the emotions, and once the emotions is there, calligraphy is there. Calligraphy is the secondary part. So that's why, again I'm telling you, to understand the different people, understand the literature, understand the concentration, meditation, how you are looking towards your work is very important. And that seriousness is very important. Again, people are thinking that okay, one stroke is one calligraphy and I do the nice composition. Okay, that is one composition is there. But what is next? That is very important. On the World Calligraphy Day, I like to suggest you, if it is possible, can you work on the Indian script? Because I talk with Paul Anthonio, I talk with the Barbara. They say that a lot of Indian scripts culture in India. So why not you are doing a lot of work on that? Again, I am telling the same thing to you. If it is possible, try to work on Indian scripts. Elaborate that. A lot of history is there, a lot of scripts is there, a lot of literature is there. If it is possible, if you want to show the world that India is such a big country, not only the big country, but calligraphy culture is a big culture is there. Documentation is very important, because how you are develop yourself, you can see anytime. And because of that, today when I am going back, I can see this is my work 10 years back, 20 years back, 30 years back, 40 years back. What I want to do in the future, I can decide that. And that's a very important part. And people want to see how you develop yourself. So I published a lot of book also. I first published my book, that is Aksharanubhav. I got a national award for this book, best book of the year. Then in Urja Akshara, Eternal Energy of Calligraphy. Then Kana Matra Velanti. Then Retrospective. Retrospective is that is 40 years of my journey. I did a big exhibition in Jahangir Art Gallery. At that time I published that almost, it's a big book, almost 250 pages are there, big size. And today I am going to again extension of Kanamatra Velanti, that one script and one career, like in one script, that is very important, because Kanamatra Velanti is the basic of Devanagari. But if you know the basic calligraphy, then how you can go ahead? That's a very important part. So create a design. What is the composition? How to use the paper? How to change the dimension of the tool? It's your judgment, it's your experience. That demonstration is not only the demonstration, it's a 40 years experience. So a particular one tool is there, you are using in particular angle, but I'm using a different angle. Might be it's good for the people. I'm making a composition of 2-3 languages. 2-3 different forms are there. Sometimes I may be using only one stroke is there. One stroke is one composition, one letter is one composition. So show the design aspect to the people, and that is very important. And today in my demonstration I'm going to show you all the possibilities. See the tools, see the papers, and then how I'm working, what is my body style, body language is there. Because when I'm working on the paper, calligraphy is my language. I know that I'm not a good speaker, but when I'm working on the paper, my calligraphy is my language. So I want to show that, and this is my personality. My calligraphy is my personality. People know me, Achyut Pallava, as a calligrapher, because I'm working on the paper. That time I transfer my energy, and that energy is giving a lot of expressions and emotions, and even thoda sa you will get the energy that I have to work like Achyut Pallava, and that is very important, because I'm working like R.K. Joshi. I like to work with Werner Schneider. I like to work with the Barbara. A lot of other people are there where I connect with internationally. So learn from them, transfer to other people. That is the basic idea. And I'm doing the same thing. Today I'm going to do a nice demonstration.